we track the spark. They call it a crash, we call it the feed. Sowing the winter to harvest the seed. The ticker is weeping, the screens are all gray. They don't know the price that they're going to pay. The latency's screaming, the order is stale. They're betting on thunder, we're building the gale. The luxury algorithm hidden plain sight, cutting the frequency, stealing the light. It isn't a fortune, it isn't the gold. It's the math in the marrow, the story untold. True luxury cobra, the math is the key. Locked in the fracture, the deep pedigree. The luxury algorithm owns the shark. You're watching the tape, but you're reading the ghost. We're hosting the dinner, you're just the roast. The fractal is branching, the reversal is set. A digital phalanx they haven't met yet. We don't need the panic, we don't need the hype. Just the cold calculation, the final strike. The stealth umbrella is closing the seam, waking you up from the Wall Street dream. They look for the proof, they look for the flaw. They look for the flaw, but they can't compute the bite of the jaw. The algorithm breathes.